This actually looks so cute. This is obviously the content deliverables letter. I told you guys they always send that, and this is what the box looks like. So let me show you. First thing they send, oh, it's this. This is a, what is it called? But you put your hands in here, like when you're cooking, and usually when you're using maybe an oven. And thank God I now have this. So yeah, might even bake something. Last year I used to bake my banana bread like every week around winter, so I don't know. They sent milk. This is the campaign, by the way. This is their EasyGest, easy to digest, 100% lactose free. And what I like is that it's full cream. They send a 1 liter as well as a 500 ml bottle. They send a milk. Why is this thing opened? Like, somebody tell me, what is this? But this is a cappuccino milk frother, or rather cappuccino frother. And then they sent, last week on my previous vlog I unboxed something like this, like the bottle from Paris Mart Himalaya was orange. Let's start with, it was orange, and it was also from this company. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it was like the box and this color. People are gonna start to think Karata orange because oh, this is so cute, but it looks dirty. Like, I don't think it's dirty though. When they were packaging it, and it's big. It's big. I'm sure this can fit a 500 ml. This can fit in here. I'm sure. This looks so big. It's written EasyGest, and you can drink from there. Oh yeah, that's it. And it's a glass. Then the last thing they sent, they said they're gonna send a mug. Mocha double wall Mocha double wall glass cup, 350 ml. That's a very big glass cup. Okay, glass cup. I'm guessing it's transparent. Ooh, this is giving aesthetics. This looks so nice, you guys. It comes with a lid. I need to go back to my overnight oats because we are here. This looks so nice, and it's big. Like, it's actually big. Look at that. It's big, and it's giving aesthetics. Sana Elena. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you for today. I'm not really doing anything. My bestie is gonna come through, and that's it. We are not gonna do anything. Also, we're just gonna be chilling. I need to go to the bank later, but that's nothing worth vloggable because I'm just going to the ATM to deposit some cash. So I'll see you guys when I have something to show you. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and also subscribe, like this video. Thank you. Good morning, good people. I am running so late. I want to show you guys my outfit before I leave because I'm running so late. This is the scent of the day, Paris with Love from Signature. I'm going to actually have a few errands to run, but I want to grab breakfast on the Heights before going to the mall. I have a voucher with Pick n Pay, shopping voucher from a brand, and I also need a mirror. Like my small mirror that I use when I do my makeup, sitting down, when I do my makeup and hair. So I need to get a mirror, and I only have one ring. I think this is from Shein. Those earrings, they are from Mr. Price, and they match with a necklace. I hardly ever wear this, but I thought, let me just, you know, do the right thing. I'm gonna be wearing these shoes. These are Soviet sneakers. I haven't worn them. Like, look, this one still has this stuffed paper inside. This, I got them as a gift. They're from Soviet, and they're very, very cute. I've never gotten time to wear them. I got them last year. Like, imagine. So I'm wearing them today. This outfit would be so cute with like a white bag, but my white bags are so small. I'm taking this bag because I also need my filming equipment, which is I need to take a tripod to take pictures of myself, and I'm also gonna need my vlogging stick and my camera, so I'm taking this bag. This is the 400 TD, by the way. I don't know if you guys can see the shoes. They look so cute. I hope I get there on time, like you guys. The dress is actually from Shein. It's actually a long maxi dress. The cropped jacket, this is very, very cute. It's from H&M. I've had it for years, like years. And yeah, I showed you guys. I showed you the bag that I'm carrying and the shoes that I'm wearing. So this is the time, and I am still gonna go to campus to catch. I'm gonna catch a taxi at campus, and let me actually grab cash before I forget. And my purse is also on the table, you guys. The reason I'm rushing is because they serve breakfast until 11 a.m. so I need to get there before 11 at least. And I took a lot of time doing my lashes, and my eyes, I think they're still crying because they feel irritated. Like, I removed the lashes that I had when I was in the shower, thinking that I have enough time to do new lashes, but here I am, I did them. And see ya outside.
As the day gets cold, my heart gets colder. I lose my soul, like my love for you. I stuck myself and out I shut my mouth. Don't hold my thoughts, they echo on you, echo on you.
Hey loves, I just got here. I don't know how the lighting is, but I'm seated outside and I'm literally the only one here. Sana, I was rushing and I also didn't make a reservation. I was hoping to do a walk-in, and because it's breakfast, at least it's not packed, and also because it's weekly. It's a Thursday today, ne? Yeah. It's a Thursday, 15th of May. This is the time. Oh my god, I just got here 10 minutes before 11. Yo, the way I rushed to go catch that taxi. You guys, my eyes are irritated. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but they are irritated. And I don't know how I feel about it. But yeah, we're gonna have breakfast.
Stop, stop, as I go to bed. I hear a voice inside my head. It tells me, what if you do not wake up? Will your regrets be about it then?
You know what's nice? I'm connected to the internet. So even though I'm here alone, I'm still not bored because my phone is connected.
I hear a voice inside my head. It tells me, what if you do not wake up? Will your regrets be about it then?
Talk to me so easily and mess with me so carelessly.
The food here slaps. You guys remember how I used to come here last year? I can't believe this year it's my second time here. Like that time when I came with Kat was the first time this year, and the food here slaps. And I love how big their portions are. Like they don't have a swine. They give you your money's worth. Shame, love it. I also got myself some orange juice.
All day, I hate myself when I can be with you. So stay, but I want you to stay. Can be missing you all day. Find a peace of mind to let you walk away.
I'm back home and oh my god, I look so cute. Like when I don't have makeup on with my hair out, like I can't get used to it. But ish, sorry about that, guys. As I was saying, I'm back home and oh my god, I had such a lovely morning actually, because right now it's 5 minutes to 2 and like I spent about 2 hours at the mall. I think I couldn't find the mirror that I was looking for at Pep, so I might need to go, not might, I actually will go to New Park and get it from the Pep here at New Park. And as I was saying, I had such a lovely morning, lovely day. Actually, let me just say a lovely day. I should do this solo dates more often. Like, it was so refreshing and nice, and despite the fact that I was alone, I was actually not bored, you know. So yeah, we're gonna be doing those. And also, I'm going to give you guys a grocery haul of the things that I got. I know that I always do grocery hauls on my video, but that's because I actually buy food. Well, this time I wasn't gonna do it because last week in my previous vlog, actually I gave you guys a grocery haul, but now I got time to top up because I had a shopping voucher with Pick and Pay. So what can we do? Let's go and have like that grocery haul.
Didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take away. Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't.
Hi loves, welcome back to another day of this vlog. And when was the last time I saw you guys? I last saw you guys on, I think, the day when I went out, when I went on my solo date. What's that date? No, like there was a time I cooked a weekend when I was making pap and tin fish. But like to actually come on this camera and talk to you guys, the last time I see you guys was on Thursday, yeah. Because that night, actually Thursday night, we had a power cut around 8. That power cut lasted for over 10 to 12 hours, I think, because the power came back on Friday around 12. Yo, I was so mad and frustrated at the same time because I had some schoolwork that I wanted to start. In fact, like I still have that because I think I can start. I have an assignment that is due the 30th May. So I still have this week. It's Monday today, by the way. It's Monday. It is the 19th of May. This is the time. I just came back from New Park Shopping Center because I needed this. I needed batteries for my milk frother, and I got this from Pep. I got 4 of them and they were like $39.99, so that's basically 40 rand. And I also got this lunch box. It's a very big one and it was 19 rand, and I'm gonna use it now when I'm baking. By the way, I'm gonna bake today. Remember, I'm on a campaign with Parmalat, so I'm gonna bake for the content that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bake muffins. So yeah, but I'm not gonna take you guys through the whole baking process because I'm gonna be using my camera to film that content. Luckily there's no one in the kitchen. Oh, my housemates, I think they have classes or I don't know. But yeah, I'm only gonna show you guys the finished product. I'm gonna use my camera to shoot, so see ya later. This is pretty much everything that I'm gonna need, and I'm gonna use this as well as this. Morning, you guys. My battery is flashing, but I'm gonna rush this. It is the next day today. It is it Wednesday or Tuesday? nearly Tuesday, man. It has to be Wednesday today. But what's going on with my phone? It's Tuesday. Okay. Also, it's Tuesday, the 20th of May. This is the time in the morning. I just got out of the shower. That's why I can't very gown, and I'm still in my bonnet, and it's gloomy. It's bad. And yesterday I wanted to go to campus, you guys remember, but after baking it was around 2 p.m. I was like, hell no, like I'm not doing that. So I actually didn't today, but as Botswana would say, like so by the way, it's in the morning. I'm having my tea, and actually I am here to close off this vlog so that I can open another one should I end up on campus. So I wanted to talk about this. You guys remember this products that I said I was trying out in my previous vlog? Those ones, the box is actually empty because they are in my toiletry bag. I am here to say that I am not happy. Andiko happy standwasam. My thing is, they seemed like they were working for like a week or 2. This is week 3, by the way. Is it 3 or 4? I think it could be 4. I don't know, but demo. So this is my skin. Let me zoom. Those are new pimples, by the way. I also had this one. Ish. Focus. Yeah, this is my skin right now. And okay, this side, I'm losing focus, but this side, yeah, these are the new ones, and these are just like the spots. And then here again I had new pimples. Look at that, this is new. And then you can see here that how cute one. And my forehead as well. This, whatever is going on here, I don't like it. So I am gonna stop. I stopped using them yesterday or on Monday. Actually no, on Sunday I stopped. Like I am done with him. I'm gonna go back to use my E45 you know, like I'm just gonna go back to use my E45, because one thing about it, every time I get like this I go back to it. Every time I get, but it's so expensive. Like the small tube is 100 rand, and that small tube can last me for about 3 to 4 weeks, like a month actually, and that's it. Like it's so expensive, that thing. Yeah, but okay, I'm going back to it. And this is the end of our vlog, you guys. Yesterday I had a successful shoot. Like my muffins came out so good, like they tasted so good as well. If you see me buy muffins ever again, kill me, shoot me, because what do you mean? I'm such a chef, Sana. Anyway, this is the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoy spending some time with me, because I enjoyed sharing my life with you guys. And please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Love you, bye.
Waste my time.